Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of fixing the Clio. As you can see, this is the wiper linkage, so we'll get that fitted, and then we've got the battery downstairs, so we'll get that done as well, because then it should all be fine and dandy. There you go, all working, all fine. So I've read the live data, I can't see anything. We have to wait until something shows up there where it says battery low and stop. It's very dramatic, but I would have my fancy machine, but my brother has commandeered it. So we just have to wait and see if this one throws up anything in the next 5 minutes or so, because Mrs. Cabbage is getting bored.
Yeah.
And so is my Sandy. Hey guys, so I've just taken it for a test drive. We've got the battery fault still, so I've just plugged into it to see what issues there are. So we've got 4 issues so far. Let's read the codes. Vehicle has no fault codes. Well, it's got some issues. So we're going to read the live data. I don't know why it's not doing anything, but we'll read it. Okay, so then we're going to start it up, and then we're going to see what we can find out. And see if the any of the values change in it. I don't know why it's got BBC Radio 4 on. Don't ask me.
Hi, it's me. We're doing live data. Nothing dramatic so far. I'm being scripted.
It sounds like you're scripted. You're making me sound like an absolute Fruit Loop.
If it was Handsome Cabbage's decision, I would be driving, but I can't drive a manual.
And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.